Hello and welcome, my friend. Before we begin, I just want to say I'm so proud of you for being here. Taking even a few minutes to care for your mind is a powerful choice, and it shows just how much you value yourself. Meditation is one of the simplest tools we have for building focus. Each time we notice our mind wandering and gently bring it back, it's like lifting a weight at the mental gym. Over time, these small returns add up to more clarity, more presence, and more focus in your daily life. So let's practice together. Find a comfortable position, sitting tall but relaxed. Let your shoulders drop and your hands rest naturally. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a slow, steady exhale out through your mouth. Once more, inhale through your nose. Exhale fully through your mouth. Let your breath settle into a natural rhythm. This breath is your anchor, your place to return whenever your mind drifts away. As you breathe, gently bring your attention to one simple point of focus. That might be the sensation of air moving in and out of your nose, the rise and fall of your chest, or the gentle rhythm of your belly. Choose one and stay with it. Notice the inhale. Notice the exhale. As you focus, your mind may wander. That's completely normal. When you notice it, simply say to yourself, thinking or wandering, and then kindly bring your attention back to your breath. Every return is a victory. Every return is a moment of focus strengthening. Inhale, focus. Exhale, presence. Stay here with me for a few more moments, breathing and returning gently whenever you need to. Now take one more slow, steady breath in and a long exhale out. Bring a little movement into your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders if you'd like. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Remember, you did something important today. You chose to focus, to train your mind, and to give yourself this time. I'm so proud of you. Carry this clarity with you into the rest of your day. Take care